Today on Ghost Toast Kitchen, we are going to teach you how to make a peach dessert. Now it's real simple. It just takes some peaches, brown sugar, white sugar, and some melted butter. Those are your main ingredients. But this is a great recipe for when you have unexpected guests or you just want something done quick. Now, we put our peaches in a bowl, add some cinnamon, and then we add brown sugar and white sugar, and then we mix it together. That brown sugar is going to give a little molasses undertone, and cinnamon and peaches just go together perfectly. So we're going to mix that together until the peaches are coated evenly. Then we're going to make our topping. Now this is a simple oat-based topping, for which we're going to use quick oats or old-fashioned oats. We've done it both ways. Some flour, some brown sugar, and you're going to mix those together after you add your cinnamon. So you incorporate all of those ingredients, and then you're going to add some melted butter. And then mix that all together. There's no need to get a baking dish messed up for this or dirty for this. You can just take some aluminum foil and spread that out on a cookie sheet, pour your peaches on it, and then your topping. And all this will bake together. And while we're doing this, I would invite you to subscribe, hit the notify and like button so that you know every time that we release a recipe from Ghost Toast Kitchen. Just make sure that topping is spread evenly, and then you're going to fold that aluminum foil into a packet and seal the ends. Put it into the oven at about 375 degrees and cook it for about 20 to 30 minutes. And there you have it. A very quick, easy, clean peach dessert. No muss, no fuss. Serve it with ice cream or whipped cream or Cool Whip. Any option is good. We'll see you next time on Ghost Toast Kitchen.